Namaste, I am Chinmay Korad, Country Head, Pharma Sales at Freudenberg Filtration Technologies India. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. Wanted to highlight fan filter unit, global technology with local manufacturing. The advantage of getting it, it has 40 plus advantageous software developed in India, technical support in India, and the advantage of this unit being a critical product and know-how about the pharma. This unit is designed to meet the critical application of semiconductor, battery, and lithium-ion industries. We are the inventors of non-woven, which is the heart of the filtration system. Freudenberg is the only company manufacturing filter with its own media.